Magbabalon pa? Babalo. Wala pa. Ayuhin pa nila yan.
Partition sa labas. Wala pa.
Sige lang, be. Ay. Jen, kumuha ka nga dun sa bag. Isa't kalahati. Isa't kalahati kasi bibili si Lucy ng papabili ng ano si Lucy. Papabili tayo bigas, be? Dalawa? Dalawang bigas? Magkano ba yun? 17. Tapos magkape tayo, Bino. Oo. Mamita! Uy! Where is Grandma? Wala, Grandma going. Grandma sad. Grandma sad.
Hug mo, ma'am.
Hug tight, Grandma. Iniyakan pa dati Luri yan. Nung umalis yan, karga niya si Drico. Kailan ba tayo ulit magkita? Grandma? O you walk with Grandma later? Ah, si Grandma pala ang katabi dito. Siya ang magbibitbit kay Drico papunta doon. Ano yan, be?
Atras lang tayo.
Hindi. Talagang papaso yun.
Papasok tayo ng papasok doon sa stage.
Oo.
Ano pa rin. Nakatakip pa rin ng ano.
Si Grandma niya, lumipad pa talaga yan, be. Papunta dito. Oo, galing US pa yan. Tas ngayon pa yan, ha? Sinundo nitong ni Jed sa airport. Sinundo niya sa airport.
Basag pa yan.
Basag-basag pa.
Tari ng special guest from
Special guest from US.
Kawawa yan siya nung umalis yan, Jed. Wala pang 1 month si Draco.
Kaya miss din niya.
Wala pang 1 month. Wala pang 1 month si Draco noon, Tino, nung umuwi ka. 2 weeks yata. Let's go na. 2 weeks pa lang si Draco. Oo.
As in talagang infant pa.
Oh, tara na, let's go na. Mamaya na ulit, be. Yala. Sinira mo na to, be. Tara na. May salamin pa dito. Oh. Tara na. Huy, patay tayo dyan. Kuhanin mo na dyan kasi alis na tayo dyan. Bye, animals. Gibe! Mamaya na lang. Ala ka, naglalak ba to?
Paganda ko eh. See you animals. Bye animals. Now let's sing a happy birthday song for Draco! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. One more time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Once again, happy birthday, Draco. Give him a round of applause. Okay, so as per mommy request, we will blow up. Draco needs to blow the cake now. So we will sing again a happy birthday song for Draco. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, Draco. Happy birthday, Draco. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Once again, happy birthday, Draco. To you. Happy birthday to you. Yes, once again, give Draco a round of applause. All right, so as per requested of Mommy Jo. What? Where's that? Music, please.
Oppan Gangnam Style.
Okay. Music, please.
Let the dogs out. Let the dogs out. Let the dogs out. Let the dogs out. I was supposed to party with something. And everybody having a ball. I tell you first, nothing in
Hala, Johar. Rico.
One little finger, one little finger, one little finger, tap, tap, tap. Point your finger up, point your finger down, put it on your chin.
Dance, dance, dance.
One little finger, one little finger, one little finger, tap, tap, tap. Point your finger up, point your finger down, put it on your arm, arm. One little finger, one little finger, one little finger, tap.
Insert yan. Okay, so who is out? Go! Okay. Beautiful ladies, for your energy, you may now be seated. Go! Hey. Thank you so much, beautiful ladies, for your energy. You may now be seated. Later na daw yung kalaman to be followed. Okay, so we have a rules po. So, girls na meron, okay, beautiful ladies na meron pong hawak na mga bread, you need to put it here. Yes! And girls na kakain, you need to kneel down. Kneel down. Takapusan nyo na. This is the end of your life.
Kaya mo yan.
Yeah. You will get an iPhone. iPhone 18 case. Case and charger.
Wala ka ba dyan ako? O sige, magtabi. O sige, pwede magtabi.
Oh, beautiful ladies, look at me. Eyes on me. Okay, this is the prize. Okay, get the water. We will give them water, baka magulunan. Head, shoulder, knees, head, shoulder. Makapalapin na napalapin. Head, shoulder, knees, head, shoulder. Ba't nagagalit ka na naman? Marunong ka. Wala dito security. Guard, palabas natin. Okay. Alright. Ready? Head! So, relax lang sa mga. Happy lang yun. Sige na, lapit na kayong tatlo. Sige, ano to? Together, come on. Head! Shoulder! Knees! 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 Head! Head! Shoulder!
Ba't bumababa?
Bumababa na eh. Ma'am, relax lang tayo, ma'am. Masaya-masaya kang kinukuha mo na agad ng bat, ma'am. Ito mga batang pasaway. Kung kailan tumandak, nakasaway. Love you. Maganda ba lang kailangan? Wala siya pa. Ma'am, hindi lang basa. Nakakawali ka. TV yan. Pinaliit lang. Okay, ready? Head, shoulder, knees, knees, knees. O, sige, ma'am, lumapit ka na din, ma'am. Head, shoulder. Tawang-tawa, ma'am, tawang na. Ma'am, baka hindi ka makuha ng cup. Okay. Sige. Head, shoulder, knees, head, shoulder, knees, head, 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 shoulder, 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 knees, knees, head, 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 shoulder. Disqualified. Kids, listen to me. Kids, and go! Excited? Yeah. iPhone! Parang sinumang hirap niyang i-joke. Okay po, ma'am. Be careful! Papaliitin ko po yun. I will make my hands small.
Ayaw matanggal.
Ayaw pala.
Wala na. Tutulog mo. Sulit kamay mo.
My sweet words. ma'am. Good night. Thank you so much, ma'am. Please get your prize. Ma'am, please open your prize. Okay. Ibigay mo na sa akin ang Christmas bonus. Yeah. Wow! Wow! Congratulations, wow! Why not give her a round of applause? Yan lagi sila guys. Talagang nandating dawa ka na. Salamat. Hindi ko na isa-isahin kasi ano ba, iiyak na ba tayo? Ayan, sa akin, ano ba? Grandma Medrico guys, talaga nag-travel siya from abroad guys, papunta dito from USA. Charot, wala pa siyang tulog guys. Ayan, kakalanding lang yan. Salamat, and sa lahat ng thank you baby kids, thank you so much. And hindi ko na ano ba, paano ba sabihin, basta salamat guys ha. And hindi ko makalimutan lahat ng mga, ayan, yung pagpunta nyo dito lagi sa akin, supportan nyo lagi sa akin, ganon. Salamat. Salamat. Greta, happy birthday. Salamat. Saka mga kapatid ko pala guys, salamat din. Ayan, lagi nandiyan sila guys. Talagang yung isa bunso namin guys, humabol siya. At congratulations para sa kapatid ko guys. Today din yung exam niya ng writing slides. Oh, first try. And, alhamdulillah. Ayan, thank you guys. And Baby Jet, thank you. Ayan. A vlogger ko mga kaibigan dito. Guys, may vlogger ang kaibigan guys. From Dubai sila. Thank you. Yun lang. Okay, guys. English pala ako sa language. Once again, thank you so much, Amanjo, for trusting us, for trusting me. And no worries, man. I got you covered. Thank you so much, beautiful ladies and gentlemen. I hope you enjoyed tonight. Once again, my name is Rachel.